Back now with the fallout from yesterday's historic Supreme Court decision.
Former President Donald Trump now reportedly looking to have his felony conviction in New York thrown out. ABC's Perry Russom has more.
Sources tell ABC News former President Trump is working to have his felony hush money conviction in New York thrown out after yesterday's landmark ruling by the Supreme Court. In a letter to the judge described by sources to ABC News, Trump's legal team argues during the trial, the jury was presented evidence they believe should have been protected under presidential immunity. The defense is asking for Trump's sentencing on July 11th to be delayed so they can have more time to make their argument. The appeal coming hours after yesterday's landmark decision ruling presidents have immunity for acts within their core constitutional duties and are presumed to be immune from prosecution for all official acts. The ruling will most likely delay Trump's other legal cases, including his election interference case.
Remember, two separate issues, the absolute immunity on parts of it, but the presumption of immunity on other parts. And when it comes to a presumption of immunity, you can overcome that. You can present evidence to say, okay, yes, there's this presumption that something's immune, but we have enough evidence to overcome that.
President Biden last night with a warning to the country, saying there are now virtually no limits to what a president can do.
This is a fundamentally new principle, and it's a dangerous precedent, because the power of the office will no longer be constrained by the law, even including the Supreme Court of the United States.
Trump's team tried to use the presidential immunity argument during the hush money trial to limit the evidence presented. That did not work. Now we have to see if that changes. Perry Russom, ABC News, Washington.